Morning, Dad.
Morning.
Remember when you bought Square when I was little for $20? Because guess what? Now it's at $286. Man, I love you. You make such good decisions.
What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by. I am Mark. You are watching Trading with a Dummy, if you haven't noticed that with that whole logo thing. But today we're going to discuss what type of investor slash trader are you? The first thing you need to determine is if you are a trader or investor. And yes, there is a difference. An investor is someone who buys shares in companies on the regular and holds them for a period of time, whether it's 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Simply put, an investor is doing exactly that. They are investing into a company. For example, I invest into VOO and VTI every single month, no matter what the price is. And I have yet to sell any of those shares as of today, and I plan never to. A trader is simply interested in making profit with no intentions in investing long term. For example, swing trader, day trader, every guy who conceived a baby with some random chick off of Instagram because their pull-out game was weak. For example, I trade in the futures market, and occasionally I swing trade when I see an opportunity of a stock that has a potential to rebound in a timely manner. For example, Fastly. Fastly dipped drastically over 20% in one day out of the blue because the earnings were bad. Now yes, when the earnings are bad, expect it to drop, but yo, it was bad. It dipped. 20% in a single day is crazy. So it went all the way down to $33 a share. I have no intentions of keeping this stock long term, but I definitely have an interest in it swinging it right back to where it dropped. Of course, one of them is a lot riskier. Long-term investing is probably the easiest and safest route to go, whereas swing trading, day trading, and options trading is a lot riskier. See, I see a lot of people out there using the term interchangeably, but there is obviously a fundamental difference. You may have noticed that if you follow me on IG or whatever, is that I do both. Yes, I definitely do both, and you can do both. But first, you need to know what type of person you are as a trader, because otherwise you will buy shares in a company like Square at $20, tell yourself that you're gonna hold it for your kids, you're gonna hold it long term, you see it pop up to $120 and you sell it, never to buy back into it. And then you see it run up to nearly $300 a share, and now you seem pissed off because you didn't hold it forever. For all the homies that held Square, good on you guys. Good on you. If you are unsure what type of trader you are or investor, well, I'm here to help you. So jump on your computer, go to marketpsych.com. The link is going to be below. But before you do that, you need to help a brother out by smashing that subscribe button. And no worries, I can wait. I think that was enough time, right? All right, let's continue. Once you're on the website, just scroll all the way down and click on Trader's Personality. Or if you want to know what type of investor you are, you can do that as well. You can click on that. Honestly, just do both. It's free. F-R-E-E, free. So once you answer all the questions, it's going to deliver all this information to you and basically just read it over. That way you can figure out what your strengths and weaknesses are and what you can improve on and potentially do better. Obviously, you will also realize that maybe there's a style that you didn't know you were. I, for example, find out that I'm a swing trader. Just basically take the test. Take them all if you want to. It's fun. But once you're shocked with the results and you think to yourself, like, wow, yeah, I actually do these things, and you decide that you want to improve on it or decide that you're just going to run with it, you want to then, and I hate to advertise it, you want to download the app Robinhood. It's honestly the easiest application to use on your phone to trade. Now, retail investors who are brand new love Robinhood. But I'm gonna be honest, I hate it. I really do. But I'm not gonna be biased here and tell you that it sucks. The application is relatively simple to use. However, 6 months down the line, you will quickly learn that Robinhood kind of rips you off with the prices and they don't really give you the true free slogan that they say. And then eventually you're gonna switch over to TD Ameritrade or E-Trade or some other respected brokerage company. So once you download Robinhood, man, Anyways, once you download Robinhood or any other brokerage company, play around with paper money, aka fake money, and treat it as if it's real money, which is going to be hard. I'm gonna do a whole nother video on that, but you gotta practice, and refine your trading personality. Once you got that down, you may avoid making these ridiculous decisions like selling Square at $120 or Disney at $120 or Microsoft at $220 or Zoom at $300 or DocuSign at $220. I need to stop because these are real investments that I made. It took me some time to realize the lack of patience that I had and the fact that I didn't allow a lot of my positions to play out fully. To this day, it is still something that I have to remind myself every single day to be patient because my trading personality is a swing trader. I literally spent 6 months walking around telling people that I invest, which in fact, I was not investing. I was trading and I was not doing a good job at that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you give me that PIF special, which is pay it forward special. It sounds stupid, but I'm trying to come up with something. Anyways, I would love if you guys help me get to 300 subscribers. I'm almost there, and I'm really excited if I could get there. And until next time, guys, my name is Mark. Not this Mark, the other Mark. Just don't get confused. Yeah. Anyways, see you guys in the next round.